Um, Driving down the street, minding my own business when suddenly, bang, this sound of metal meeting, metal pierces the air. Um, it's that heart-stopping moment when someone swings their car door open directly into your path. Um, you can't help but wonder who is to blame for this unexpected collision. When you're cruising along, you're generally expected to be vigilant, keeping an eye out for any obstacles. And yes, that includes doors that may suddenly spring open. But let's not jump to conclusions. The other driver also bears a responsibility to ensure a coast is clear before making any sudden movements. Legally speaking, in most jurisdictions, the onus is on the person opening the car door to ensure they do so safely. This means checking for oncoming traffic, including cyclists. Failure to do so might land the door opener in hot water. A common pain point, however, is the ambiguity in the situation. Vehicles are meant to stay in their lanes, but an evasive swerve to avoid a suddenly opened door might make insurers question your driving lane adherence. It's a legal gray area that often leaves drivers scrambling for clarity. Many people don't realize, but in these incidents, dash cams can be your best friend. Capturing the exact moment of collision provides a clearer picture of what happened. And without this evidence, it may become a, he said, she said, scenario complicating claims. And step by step, here's a pro tip for those in the driver's seat. Approach parked cars with caution. Slow down slightly and shift slightly away from them if possible. This preemptive move can give you crucial extra seconds to react, potentially saving you from unwanted accidents. Another critical factor, did you know that in some areas opening a car door into traffic is specifically prohibited in the driver's manual? It's stated clearly, yet many neglect this rule until it's too late. Knowledge is power, friends. But hey, let's not forget human nature. We've all been there, impatiently exiting our vehicle, not anticipating an oncoming car. Just a reminder, rushing often leads to unnecessary risks. Take a moment before opening your door. It might just save time and money. In the insurance world, there's a term called dooring used to describe these accidents. Statistics show that dooring is a common cause of accidents in urban areas, with cyclists often bearing the brunt. Keeping this term in mind adds context should you need to file a report. If you find yourself as the door opener and it seems you might be at fault, there's a step to soften the blow. Contact your insurance promptly and report the incident. This transparency can sometimes reduce the consequences, especially if you have coverage for such mishaps. And remember, it's not just about who is legally at fault. Practically, both parties generally end up with some inconvenience. From dealing with repairs to handling insurance haggles, it's a situation we'd all prefer to avoid. I'm Scott, and if you find yourself cruising the streets of Portland or anywhere else with parked cars in sight, stay alert and vigilant. After all, nobody wants their day filled with the screech of a suddenly opened door. Stay safe out there.